OCP Civil Works and Projects of Mexico S.A.D.C.B. is a 100% Mexican company with more than 15 years of experience that is actively involved in projects of infrastructure from the private and public sector in Mexico and the rest of Latin America. The diversification of their activities has been one of the strategic areas along its path, which has allowed it to work across sectors such as electrical, electromechanical, and construction. The energy business has been one of the strategic commitments of OCP, achieving absolute implement competitiveness and reliability, engineering projects, design, construction, and commissioning of electrical energy projects in high, low, and medium voltage. OCP has solidified their construction experience over the last decade, developing practical knowledge by completing major projects connected to Mexico's growth in the energy sector. We have demonstrated our expertise in all possible aspects of construction, from engineering to project execution. Among its most relevant activities, it carries out project engineering, earthworks, concrete and metal structures, rehabilitation of spaces and buildings, special foundations, installations, finishes and equipment, urbanizations, service and road networks, hydraulic and environmental works, specifically applied in the infrastructure area for the construction of combined cycle power plant stations, thermoelectric plants, natural gas compression stations, cogeneration plants, and electrical substations. The OCP entrepreneurial team is the best example of its commitment to excellence in the workplace and fostering strong values. A qualified technical staff composed of engineers civil, industrial, electro, architects, and technicians with extensive experience in implementing projects and works which bind managers, team leaders, and professionals from the various construction trades and related industries. Its customers are its best and main service guarantee. OCP is grateful for the trust you have given and which has allowed it to be a solid company with vision. Its portfolio includes works of diverse magnitude, such as the earthworks for the Agua Prieta II combined cycle power plant and the adjacent electrical substation. Drainage and roads for Project 188 SE 11-16, Transformación del Noreste third phase in Reynosa, Tamaulipas at the Guerreño substation. Construction of the Holiday Inn Express Hotel in Tapachula, Chiapas. Construction of underground networks for chemical processes and electrical conduits at the Cogeneration Salamanca Phase 1. Construction of 2 compressor stations and 3 MLV sectioning valves that shapes the transportation system of the Los Ramones Gas Pipeline Phase 1. It consists of earthworks, civil work, foundations, pipeline system and trenches, roads, and 2 station buildings made of compression of natural gas, located respectively in Camargo, Tamaulipas City and Ramones in Nuevo León. Civil works, including earthworks, perimeter fence, foundations, pipelines and trenches, and control rooms and batteries for sectioning valves MLV for the Los Ramones 2 North Gas Pipeline Project. Electrical Substation Airport Bank 5, Reynosa, Tamaulipas. Civil works, ducts and trenches, transformation banks, and drainage works. Civil works for sectioning valves MLV of the La Laguna Aguascalientes Gas Pipeline. Includes earthworks, perimeter fence, control booths and batteries, foundations for valves and solar panels, electrical ducts. OCP executes civil, electrical, and electromechanical works for the South Texas Tuxpan Gas Pipeline within the projects Cañada Rica Compression Station, Monte Grande Metering Station, Higueros Measurement Station, Landfall Tamiagua, Landfall Altamira, and Altamira Microtunnel, including earthworks, foundations for equipment and piping, earth and lightning rod network, electrical duct banks, buried pipe supports, sidewalks, ditches and slopes, electrical installations, lighting and contacts, control buildings, rehabilitation and maintenance of roads and access roads, maintenance of motors, instrumentation, dismantling of camps. Civil works for the construction of the Veracruz Oil Storage Terminal. OCP participated in this project with the construction of dikes, buildings, perimeter fence, foundations, retaining wall, and electrical ducts. OCP has its own integrated quality management system, environment, and security, being a certified company in its integral management system, including certifications in ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001. OCP, In short, is a company that has human, financial, and technical capacity to give, develop, and build any type of infrastructure in Latin America. OCP, a company committed to the development of the country.